Thank you for watching this video on COVID-19 cleaning and disinfecting of surfaces. I'm an assessor at the Pest Control Industries Trading Academy, PCITA, and my name is Johan Puri. Now this video aims to assist pest control operators with guidelines to disinfect surfaces against pathogens or microorganisms in workplaces, also at high touch points, toilet facilities, food establishments, hospitals, and dwellings. All infection prevention and control principles are designed to mitigate the spread of pathogens or microorganisms according to the Health and Safety Act of 1993. As we know, the COVID-19 virus is released into the air when an infected person sneezes, coughs, or exhales. Small droplets can then fall and accumulate on different surfaces. The SARS-CoV-19 virus can survive for between 8 and 10 hours on surfaces, depending on the material of the surfaces, porous, semi-porous, or non-porous surfaces. The pest control operator must be able to know the difference between sanitizing, cleaning, and disinfecting. First one, sanitizing. It is the process of using an antiseptic product to reduce, not kill, pathogens on the skin. For example, the alcohol-based hand sanitizer. What is cleaning? Cleaning is the means of removing pathogens from the surfaces with an antiseptic product and have no disinfecting properties. For example, dishwashing liquid like sunlight liquid or laundry washing detergent. Then the definition of disinfecting. Disinfecting is applying a registered disinfectant by means of direct cleaning with a cloth or using a disinfectant in a cold or hot fogger as claimed by the label of the product. Disinfectants can kill 99.9% of viruses. So why cleaning before disinfecting? Cleaning removes dirt from all surfaces, which is the essential first step of the disinfecting process. Dirt may form a barrier where viruses may hide. Therefore, brushing off is the first step with water and soap to make the disinfecting process more effective. Then, when choosing the correct disinfectant, take the following into account. The type of pathogen or microorganism targeting. Recommended concentration as indicated on the label of the disinfectant product. The contact time or the dwell time necessary for the disinfectant to be wet on the surface to actually kill or inactivate the virus. The fourth one, toxicity of the disinfectant. 5, disinfectant choice, which is safe for instance, a food establishment, and the surface you need to disinfect. Then there are 6 steps that a pest control operator needs to follow when he does disinfecting. First of all, make sure the product that you are utilizing is indeed SABS approved. Read and follow the label directions and look for precautionary statements. Number 3, pre-clean the surface. Wash any surface before you disinfect it. 4th one, follow contact time. Keep your surface wet for the directed time. 5, wear your appropriate PPEs, usable gloves and safety glasses. Number 6, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds and remove gloves and wash them as well thoroughly. Then safety precautions. when handling disinfectant. Gloves, like we said, should always be worn even when you mix, handle, or apply a disinfectant product. Wear appropriate protective eyewear in case of splashing. Mix only in well-ventilated areas. Check the expiry date of the disinfecting product and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Keep children and pets away when using a disinfectant. Open windows and use fans for the ventilation time and step away if the odors become too strong. Always use the correct PPEs, personal protective equipment. Never spray disinfectants directly onto the skin of someone. Ensure all personnel are properly trained, competent, and skilled to perform the disinfecting services. So when there is an active COVID-19 incident, use the following process. Number one, communicate with the client where the employee was diagnosed to determine the risk factors. Identify the areas where the infected employee worked along with the business owner to determine what areas may be affected by the virus. Disinfect and wipe all high-touch areas like door handles, telephones, computer keyboards, toilet door handles with a disinfecting product and follow it up with a microbial fogging. So the knockdown treatment is then the microbial fogging, where you use your ULV machine, which could be a cold or a hot fogger, where you will treat the complete inside of the room. Remember to perform the donning and doffing process. Donning, putting on, and doffing, removing of your PPEs correctly. Then the waste management. First of all, manage the waste in such a manner that it does not pose a risk of infection to others. Secondly, all non-reusable cleaning materials and contaminated PPEs should be safely disposed of in double bag and then cable tied after use and disposed of in suitable containers. Containers should be marked COVID-19 waste. In hospitals, dispose of in the medical waste bags or bins for incineration. Follow disposal instructions as per the local authority guidelines and keep documentation for record and auditing purposes. For more information, to enroll on a disinfecting course of PCITA, visit the PCITA website www.pcita.org.za. Thank you for your support.